told me to the southeast, Delta to Delta 1, and I was like, southeast is Delta 13. Do you want me to go to the east side or do you want to go to the west side? He's like, can you go to the west side? I was like, wherever you want to go, man.
Right.
I really don't care.
Man, all we need to do now is get you a pilot's license.
Yeah, right. I don't want to do pilot. Still recording?
Yep.
We're going to run up number 1 first. So we'll whip around, we'll run number 1 up, and then hopefully light issues resolve.
Right?
Let's find out. All right, we're gonna go on number 1. Let's watch that door light.
Watching for a door light. No door light.
Woo! All right. Turn off nose steer. Going 2. That's 2 for 2, Marty. We're gonna go ahead and run both engines up. Make sure you're watching for drift as well.
Yeah, I was watching. I didn't see any door.
No, we should be fine. Just 1 engine. If anything, it's gonna turn us.
Right?
Woo! Get it.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, Richard, how's that feel?
Oh man, I'm gonna go home early. All right, well, let's taxi back.
All right, let me keep recording.
No, you can kill it.